Malala mali e aho e ki moe lele e Tonga kotoa fia ke u talitali lele ki mo tolu ki ho mo ngahi o ngongo mo letio kai o maa e televisione Tonga ki he hoani i he wakaikoia ki ngahi ulu i o ngongo. Whakahalaki me he potonga e mo ui e uni whakamatala pehe o malawa ai mahaki HIV o mafola i e mea toko ni. Le kote potonga e polisi e fuafua mo ui ke mole tukua ki i koe tau na kita i he tauni pe au ki he potonga e a ko i he tauni ke uno maa mao pe e nau maa i ono ako i ko i hakotupu e whanua. O kuto i epe ngā hitala noa ke hea nei yangi pe ai tau wakai ke ngā hiongongo mi he mala e o i sipoti ka o maa e tu o ngā oi eha. Ko e wakailewa e ni ki he whrai ki iki, ko au liriani polutele. Kua whakahalaki me he potonga e mo ui e uni whakamatala o pehe o ku mawhola ai mahaki HIV i he mea tokoni, pehe ki hono tuwhaki atu e he namu ka o ku hala ai ngā hi whakamatala koe ni. Ta wakai ki he whai ki iki mo sinolita tui vai.
I he whaiki eke a ngongali te o Tonga mo i Tongatapu le wa amaki pipi he potonga i mo ui Tongatapu Joseph Tākai. Na ane pehe o ku lahi ai uni whakamatala na e whiawe aki holo i he mitia wha sosiale o pehe o ku mawhola pe ai mahaki HIV i he mea toko ni. Na i eme whakamatala o pehe o ku malawa pe e he namu o whetuku ai mahaki HIV ka nei whakamahino e toki tātākai o i kaike mo oni ai ngahi whakamatala ko e ni.
Ko e whakatontonu atu au ki ko i whakamatala ko ia. Ko e wailaki kene HIV o ku mawhola pe mo ui pe he sine tangata. I he toto, ke te mo ui e waila se koe ni aha toi mea ke. O ke mo ui e he mon manu, o whangatapu, pa ke mo ui e he mea kai, pe koe bai. O mate waila se koe ni e tua me sino e tanga. Ai ke ngai ho haa koe ni ngai tala noa koe ni na nau pehe, o kuia e kakai, o nau mau i waila si, o nau whakatau mea kai, o nau mahi mea kai o whakatau. Koe waila se koe ni o ke pehe la vai a mawhola pe puke ia mau mea toko. O pau ke tai weki kon teki ha taha ia mo ha taha ku puke he o kune mau e vai la si su he toto. Pau peke i pounga ia e mawhola e vai la ko ni ku pau peke mo ui e vai la ko ni he toto pe tok lava i o puke ha taha pe te ue si ha kakai toko la. Ko ni ala nai ke ngahi mea mate ka hangi koe nau mea toko ni mo mea koe keke mawhola i e vai la si a koe ne HIV. So to api te whakakau me ngai whaunga koe ia keke lava e vai la koe ni o mawhola ia he whaunga koe alu he mea toko ni alu he vai, alu he ea kate. Teke alu ai puke kehe api to ia pia mga hi e vai la si koe ne HIV ma ngai puke koku mawhola he ngai whaunga koe ia. Koe whakakau ia koe vai la koe ni o kauia i he puke mawhola he toto pe plus point o ko pau pe ke mo ui he toto pe mo ui he sine tangata ke te mo ui he hato mea ke iwe ne whangamon manu pe koe nā mohu whangatapu koe whahinga nau mauhala pe u awe puke koe nio lava mawhola ia whetuku he nā mohu i kai pe HIV ia kone i tua pe ana ia he sine tangata pe ke te ngā ue pe kumasi o ko pau pe ke mo ui he toto pe toki whaunga pe mawhola e puke koe.
Nā e whamahino e toke tātākai o i kaike mo ui ai HIV i hato e whahinga mea ka koe toto pe ai tangata. Ai o i kaike mo ui i he mea toko ni pe koe whangamanu hange koe whakatapu. Nā e whamamawha i mai ai pe mahu inga o whakaehi me he mai mahaki koe ni pe a kāwatu ki ai me whakaehi me he whetuku ai whakamatala loi.
Na e le kote potonga o e polisi e fuafua mo ui ke mole o tukua ki i ki he tau na kita hilia ai malolo i mata pule ta uoua mi hasini wike ko o si. I e whamatala to koni komisiona polisi te vita vai lea ki o ngongo e le te o Tonga. Ko hiri ene hono mau he aptanga polisi i hasini ha lipoti i e whalai te ko o si o whikau aki me mata pule ne mau atu ki a whaitoka i hasini o kune i he tuunga whaingata iha. I lolo tonga ni, o kutukua ki i pene mālolo me he tauna kita o mga tuunga pe me he natula hono mau atu o e tokotahani.
E whai ngā ue o mahino ku lere ki mai tokotahani whare mahaki. Ka koe ngai whamatala ku mauna e koe tokotahani nei hua kawaia. Nai mau atu e ha totaha pe I kolo ki he whai toka o ko ia e mea o ko hai ki hono kia. Mahino la lera ki mai ki whanaka vai ola o whai ngawe o mahino ko ikake toi whelawe ko maalolo toko tahani. Ka matapure ko ni ka matapure ta ua me ha sini pe. Pena whai whatotola ko pulisi o mahino ko tukua ki he tāna kita. Ka tok whapapau I ha mau maria ngā ka ko mahino I tūngaro tonga o ko hua tokanga ko matapure nei hua kawaia ngari nei mea nei mamahi ai o whahau ko ai ngā ko ni.
Ike ngata I kua kakato mo I sula ne whakakato ke sino e pekia e poto ngawe mo ui ka ko kei whakatatali he loroto ngani ki o lai sula pia e makato unga mea I ha whaidu tu uni ke he hoko atu ai whakatotolo ai kau polisi. Kua uke minista o e poto ngā ue ako mo ako ngā ue to ke tāmu ale o tu nuku ai kau ngā ue o e poto ngā ue I he tauni ke ulo maa ma o pe e nau māma ki he whahoko whatongia kuna whakahoko ma ai hako tupu e whanua. Ko e ne uki e ni lolotonga ai o wau lotu taha e poto ngā ue I he pongponge ahoni ko e whakailonga ia o I kamata e tau ngā ue whaou wanoa wano. Ko e whakaiki mo wahe whanua tōpola.
Ni laungia wai kau whaiako ni nau te fua he whale mata anga spot e ako malunga tonga I he ahoni ki he wau lotu taha mo lotu kamata o e taunga hau e wanoa wau no. Kua whotu wai he pot ngau e ako he ka vinga ngau e ki he tauni ke ulo maa mau pēa e māma. I he mea eiki minista o e ako mo ako ngau e toki tā mo ale o tunuku ko e ka vingani uni whamanat mai e whatungia to tonu e potu ngau e ako o whatata a ki ha māma o kulo maa mau pē I he lolo o ki hono whileoko.
O toi whakamanatu mai ho tau whatongia to tonu ki he kaha ho tau whonua ko e mafuia e potu ngāwe ai whanau ako. Fia ke wakai atu ki ate ki mou tolu ko mou mauivi ke whakahoko ho tau whatongia ke whonua I he tau whakaako koini. Ko whatongia ko tuk whalala ki ate au I he tau ni o kulahi whau. Ka e lawa lelei I ha tau whengau e aki whakataha I hono mate ki e whatongia ke whonua. O kumahau inga ke ope atu e tau kāta ki I ngahi whaka whiatungia o e whatongia. Ka koe pare e mao ia he kitaki. Ko ho tau whatongia ke tokonaki halolo maa ke whapapau I o kuolo maa mau pe ai mama. O kui kai kua whatongia pe eni o ha toko ni ihi. Ka te tau ngāu e whakataha, pia kau katoa, ka e ulo maa mau pe. Ka whetau tau laki e tau ngahi huelo mama o tau tutu, pia e mamangia I ho tau whonua, o fie mau ke ulo, maa koe oua e ahuina e whonua, koe lahi e longoa, o I kai ulo maa I tau ngahi mama. Ko ho tau ui e ke tau tari, ke fofoa e mama pia tutu, he potu te tau whakahoko whatongi ai ke mamangi ai e whonua. Neo nge lahi hono ngahi pore, matua I hono ngahi pore I he kitaki, ka tau kai hono merie. Ko ope o talangofua pia merie e tau amanaki ki ha tāpuaki e kai utungaki ai e whonua.
I he talanoa I pē ki he māma kuulo maa, ni whalotolahi ai e whaiako mālolo I he koristonga, ka koe tali kita e ngahi ngāwe whalau maali e sa susiliana tautaina o Tonga, whai whikau tuke tātali ai ni me tolu ki he kau whaiako, ke ulo atu e nau māma I e nau whahoko whatongia.
O tau whaam ko tau pē ke ulo e māma. Tau mai si su ke ulo atu ho mou māma, ke hāki māma ni hāki Tonga ho mou ngāwe lelei. Pēo kai ko ai a mafi ke wiki ai ko ke whaiako lelei. Pēo ke tamsi pe tahi ne ako lelei, ko ai peia ke whakalanglangi ho tamai o kui hewani. Ea whawhitai pa to e whawhitai aho tau la maari e ko re soni ia ko e whaiako ia o kau whaiako. O pehe pe au ka ho whaiako I be tamsi mo I tahi ne ko ho whaiako I be ki langi. Ho whai a ko I beke I tāniti. Pe ko e chemistry, pe ko e biology, pe ko e Tongan culture, pe ko e habe le soni. Pika, fisiki, ho tau mua o iskeri au ko e a ko I beke langi. A ko I beke mau hono whakailonga, a ko I beke mau hono matai tohi. Ko e umaa ke osiange tō kakawa pa kai ke tau o ki he mani ka tau o ki heri. Ka koe tānoa koe ni o whae sisu, mo mea mai be ko ne tānoa I o whakatokanga mai mafi te utoe aluatu. Pea whae e tānoa koe ia koe whakalotolahi ke tau tō.
Ne tali ki hene pule lahi e potu ngawe ako mo ako ngawe iskelioko ake ne pole I ne kau ngawe ki he kawenga ngawe o e tauni.
E nista tau hipe poho mua e whatonua e mau kailao e whatongia. Ono tau tai aika eiki mui whonua o ka fotu mai aika eiki ke hake mai e ku hiko ku benga e ku wangi mai e pureika wawalafo o uhinga takta tuu ki ono tuunga tuu ke wawa tatau pia taimi lafo hei kai whihiri whaki e ngai kupenga he kapau e whihiri hiri hei kai mau hamata eika ko tau wangi ia kamatanga tau koin wawalafo takta tuu ki ono tuunga ilo ho whatongia mo e wheitu ke whahaku whatongia e. Ka whemau tokoni, tau tokolahi pe. Ka lafo I kupenga pe a lawe ai kupenga I lalo e hola I kai o lunga. Ko hono whekau u kufi. U kufi lawe. Uku ke loloto, ke mao e lawe, hei kaito e alato hataha whakakato. O pa ulawe, ai nau tau tai iho api ako, ko mou tolu tonu ke mou kufi lawe. Whatalatala, kai atai ngā ua te tau whakako.
Lodoa ni ne whakia to he polokalama e ahoni me tohi whahounga o he kau ngā ue toko taha fitu, ko kakato e nau tau ngā ue whapure anga, pe ak nau mau wahenga mālolo I he kamata anga e tau ngā ue o he tauni. Ai ne kau ki hene pule ako mālolo e kolistonga, ka koe taha e kau tali kita e potu ngā ue, ko te evita kalaftoni Latu.
Ngā ue I whepueri taha hiwa taha, whiunga katoa e ne whahako whatongia, mo e tau e tolunga fulu mawha, mo paspasi ina.
Peonga ofisa ko maalunga he waa sila pa ne maheni ki ka wako tokolahi kolosena suka manu mo toli a fisi hoi fifita.
Nere kamat whakahoko whatongia I Sanuari taha hiwa walu hiwa whiunga katoa e whakahoko whatongia mo e tau e tolunga fulu maon mo paspasi imai alosena. Nere kamat whakahoko whatongia e haono Februari taha hiwa ono whiunga katoa e ne tau whakahoko whatongia mo e tau e wo fulu mahiwa.
Peheke ni I kehepe ko I kau pule ako, mo I kau tukon pule ako, mo I kau whai ako ko kakate na whahak whatungia ma ai potu ngawe ako I ti sema o I tau ko o si wanoa wanima. Ne lau foki e nau historia ngawe whawhai ako I he polokalama o I ahoni, pia whakahoko mo I whakapa apa makehe kia ki nau tolu o tataki e manu a kau ola ko I taleki tapaanga I University Whafunua a Tonga.
Koe wakupehe e matanga. Mo ai mafu pasi leo lahi e kau ikuna kone ahoni. Mo pasi mai. Ai e te leo lahi anu.
Ika ingata he nini whahoko mo I whakapa apa whalongolongo miniti e taha ma ki nau tolu ku nau tō tau. Lolotonga e tau ngā aue wanoa wanima wanoa waono. I he polokalama I peo e ahoni nei whaaki me pale whahounga ke apiako lautohi e tolu nei tūkimu ai sivihu e fōmua ke ngahi kolisi ai ne tūkimu ai e apiako Tonga Side School.
Havelu loto. E lawa e nau toko woful manima
Ia ko maalunga Tonga.
Ne uha ki kia i hako loto a havelu loto.
Nuku'alofa. Koe toko taha tolu, hofu maa tolu.
Pea toki tolu a hako loto a Nuku'alofa.
Wato i pehe moe...
Kai he kamata i pehe mo ni te wiki kahau, ai kamata fotu u whakongkonga, ai ngahi ako anga, ai pure anga. Mai ngonga le te o me televisione Tonga, ko au vahe whanua tu Paula.
Kua laungeau e ngahi ko ngā api i tongani o ku te eki ke whaihanga awe ki ono savea i mo tofi i he potunga awe whanua mai koloha whakai na tula. Ma atu o ngā mihe si ai timi savea ai potunga awe mo nau iwi malawa ke whakakato ai ngā awe. O ku hoko eni ke lahi ai tatali e kakai e whanua ki hono tofi ko ia honau ngahi ko ngā api. I ene pehe, ko ngā onua i e pule anga fo'o, ke whakahua atu ki whalea lea, ai lao whakanga ngā whakau aki me kau ngāwe savea tau a taina mei toa, ke whakawhainga mālia i, ai ngāwe savea ko ia ki ngahi ko ngā kelekele koini. Senoli tatu i vai me whakaiki.
I he mea e ki pale miano pili whawhanua loro tonga whi mea ake whalea lea ane awhi, ko i toka ngā, ka hui ka lahi ai tāli ai kakai ke ngahi ngāwe whakelekele o laka e tau e hongo fulu. Nā ne whamahino ku mga tuunga ngai whatatāli ko ini, ka hui ko ianga ai tuu ai lao, o kune kei hai pe ai ngāwe ai kausawea o whatatau ki hiwi malawa ai potu ngāwe. I ene peheo ku iai whakaukau ke whakahu mai ha kausawea tau ataina mi tua, ke tokoni ki he ngāwe ai kausawea. E mahino ko iwi malawa potu ngāwe ko i whui api pe e wange au, o kunau malawa o tofi i he tau e taha. Ka o ko mahino o kula wafi ngai whie mau i he tau.
Pese ko ot pe whatata ko ni hange ko pot ngāwe a ikmi stafonua ko aki mai he pompongi ni. Pot ngāwe ko ni o mga tuunga i langa fonua ho fonua sea. Ki mua patau tarano ki hono tupulaki ai business tau taha, whi mau ke whakakato ai ngahi elito mo elemeniti tene hanga popoi a langa fonua ho e ki pa mo kakai. Kau kere sea o fisko ni i e sino ni hanga whaatungia me wholoa pe sea. Pa te o mai ngahi statistika ko ni ke mo mea ki ai. Ko e whawhatongia ko ni ofisi o whatatau ki nau iwi, ko e api pe e wange au, te nau lava o ngau e te kau sawea ki tofi. I he tau. Wange au tau osi, wange au tau atu, wange au pe o mau he iwi ko ni, ai kau ngā we ki nau whakakato i tau unsea. Neongo ia, ko e backlog, pe ko e lahi ngā we o kiriwhaki he pot ngau ko ni sea, o whae atu e taha whini mangi au tupu sea. Tā koe uhinga ia o tāria e whanua ki he nau application pe koe kore risi. O tā whatata pe, nai whahua, tau hongo fulko o si, tau e nima, tau e tolu, nau kei whangongo pe pe whahoko ngau ko ia sea. Ai o ke whaamu ke whatau taina, ke malawa ke tuku hifo, ai backlog ko e taha whini mangi au sea. A ki ha whaua ka lao, ke whangofua, ai kau savea tau taina mo contracta mi tua ke nau tokoni ke tuku hifo.
Lo tonga nina ne te whamala ala ko e tahane ngahi palani ngawe e pure anga fo'ou, ko whakahu fo'ou ke kau i he mape hala whanonga hono tolu a tongani ke palani i. O ke whakaamu e kau e ngawe ko e ni ke kakato i he fofua aho ngawe e te au e pure anga, ai ane kamata ane awhi ke toki kakato ke aho tahataha o sune.
Kai hoko ia ko e sea te wholau ke upot ngawe ko ni pure anga o mga tuo ngai e nau palani ngawe ke tau fo'ou. Sea mahino pe ko e ngahi porisi ko ni pure anga o ku tatau pe me ko hiri o mai ke ahon. Ka koe makehe e mau sea te wholau ki a pompongi pa mo palani ngawe o fotu o atu ke whaitu na sea pa mo me mipa e whare area i he rock aho e te au ko eni o fotu mai o ke whakaamu ke mau whakakato ai mau whakaamu ki ka hau pure anga pehe whoki ki he lelei ai se vesi whahoka pure anga tonga mai kakai utupo. Sea koe whakaamu ai motuani ke malawa o hiki ai tuunga o ki ai sevese o whahoko he pure anga ki he kakai whanua. Pea kumahina pe koe patseti lolo tonga o maungaue a ki e kai koe toi lava o ni diu. Ka koe uhiu whai pe ngāue pa moe kau pure ngāue pa moe pot ngāue taktaha o whafou ki he hoik mi star kapneti ki whai ha whata noa ki he ngahi lelei tau pehepe ko ngālo ke whakahoko. Pe ko ngahi wharerei nai nofo pe e ngai porisi kau teke ki lava whakakato.
Kai ke hok mahino koe whatau mua e lao koe ni ke whawhainga malia I ai ngā au e potungai savea ke oua e toi tatari whonglo ai kakai ke nau ngahi mea whakerekere o whakahu atu ki he poto ngā we. Mai a ngonga le te o me televisione Tonga ko sinoli tātu I vai.
Pea kua ngatu e ni mo I kai kei whaatatali ka kai tō lahi I Tongani ke nau mamatai mo whanongoa e kau hiwa malie I loa I he mala e oe musika ka koe timi hiwa I loa koe UB40 me Ingilani. Te nau toki tō ota I he mala e wakapuna whaamotu he tō sete ka hau. Pea nau whakatete ai pe I he paake teu whaiwa I he pule lulu ka hau pe. Ko e whakaiki ki mo Petit Lake I lo lahia.
Neongo e toktu uta a Eli Campbell mo ni kauhiwa I Tongani he wike kaha u, ka ko ngatu a Tongani o kamata lewa teu teu ki amanaki maalali hono ua ai kauhiwani I he whanuani. I he whakamatala ai me mipa me ko miti o knau tataki mo whotu tuu I konsetini ne pehe ai e ofa likiliki, neongo ne os I Tongani pe he waf maono ai kulupu hiwani, ka koe nau toi ahia a Tongani, koe ngongo whaka historia mo whaka whiawhia ia ke toko lahi o Tongani, ta te whito kia te kinau tolu o knau manakoa hono whanongoa e nau hiwa.
Used to be so lonely. You're a beautiful woman, oh girl.
Pehe e likiliki koe whakaamu, ke oa e hoko pe eni ke whakai ai mo manakoa a Tongani ki ngāhi kulupu hiwa I loa whakawaha a pule anga, ka ke tokoni ki ono whakai via ai nofo melino mo I wōunga taha ke kakai o I whanua.
Koe lolo Tongani o I kai ke aha Stacy I Tongani ke ne mau ai whaalahi mo I mālohi koe ni ai whia mau mai koe mea Eli Campbell ba mo UB40. Pea ne pau lewa ke haia mai e me Nuku'alofa whakaheka maha container o tuku mai ki Tongani. Ta tau pepe mo I sound system, katoa ngahi mea lea whakaleo lahi o mai katoa pe mo ngahi nau ko ia me Nuku'alofa. Pea kua si tuku atu ki teu whaiva ke whakahoko ngā we a hono langa I koe ni Stacy. Ai mahalo ko a pongpongi, pongpong tokanaki o skakato Stacy ki he tūkunga kou whia mau ke I ai. Pa toki ngāwe atu lewa ai timi kone o ngāwe koe ki he māma pea moe whakaleo lahi pe koe sound system nau ngāwe lewa nau tō kia he monite ke mau katoa he fiaf monite pongpong tu site o mau katoa koe taritari ko sepe ki he aho pule luru. Aku iai te kakai o nau fia tokoni, koe loto fia tokoni, koe hui ke lava lele konsepti koe ni Tongani. Pea o toto hoko atu penga hi whataha koe inga o mahu inga ta ai mao fia kakai pe nau iai pa nau malu. Pea kai ngata ai me ai e tau hou eiki, I he mea anga pe hou eiki he grandstand, koe ngahi mea anga mahe ni pe, koe tau wō, ki whanongo ki he tā mea, pea mo Eli Campbell mo ngahi kau hiwa kehe pete ngau whaali ale aho ko ia, ki tau wō aki ai loto fia, pea mo tau he merimo.
I don't need nobody to tell my troubles to. You're off me already and you don't.
ko maumari ai kau hiwa I loa he musika me ni I he ngai whanua Pasifiki o kau ki ai a Fee Joint, DJ Noise, Suleas Poleo, mo ni I ke pe me Pasifiki. I he fōwha konseti Tonga ni kulupuhiwa UB40 he wafe mao no, ne lau wafe kakai ni nau ahia pāke te whaiwa, pea I he tauni, ok nau whakatoa me lia lelei e te kolahi ange kakai te nau ahia a te whaiwa. Aia ko lahi ai hono whakataua e he kakai te ko lahi ngā he tiki te ngofua hū ki loto te whaiwa I he whiawhi pulelulu ki ono mamatai o ngā hei kauhiwani. Mai o ngonga le te omo television e Tonga, ko au Peti Blake I lono hia. O ni o ngongo whakaloto whanua ai ke hawani koe ngahi o ngongo me malai o sipoti, hoko mai a mo pia o lie.
Me whiau koe sia pani ku teu ke toi whiang hangai e se niare ol preki, Richie mo onga pea mo ene timi, kai uma afo ke maratolu koe Springboks, Margaret Marks, ma timi koe a kupota Spears, I he wikeni, teu koe hoko atu ai whiau hini. Ko tātua lahi pe whoke he whianga ngai o Tongatani, tālupe me he malai supa, he timi koe a Lionel mo Crusaders, pea I he time da taupe, koe hiki me koe ni a Marks ki sia pani, una whianga ngai rewa pea mo unga, I he malai koe ia o akapulu pe, ka koe whiauhi whaot whanua ia a sia pani. Koe whiauhi whamui mui whoki, na e whianga ngai o Timini, I he whainoro koe ia whiauhi, neongo nei tataki mo unga ai Toshipa Brave Libers, ki he hau koe ia whiauhi tau ko si he whainoro. Pe mo timi koe ia Marks ake kai koe taha walu ke taha tolu, ka ko hoko ia, ko ha whainga maarie ke whianga ngai ai hango Tangatani. O kutako whoki he tolahi koe timi koe ia o kuwainga mea ia Marks koe taha ngai timi whakarakalaka e whiauhi, ka ko pehe e mo unga pe mo ene timi koe ia e Brave Libers, ko naure lei taha e whahako I he weekendi. Ka whoke wainga koe ia I he tona ke weekendi e taimi koe ia siapani, ko ha whainga maari e ia ke ngā hi timi tōki mua e nau mamata wainga I he whianga ngai e ngo timi koe ni. No tonga whoke ni ku te kei ke ulungia timi koe ia a Marks pe koe kupota Spears, ka koe timi koe ia a mounga pe mo Brave Libers, ko hoko e nau kafo koe ia I he wike ko si pe ko takaihono ni ma whainga maari e ia ki he timi koe ia Saitama Wild Nights ke nau ki whakao ai I he whiauhini. Ka I he time da taupe whoki o ku mahino ki he hoka atu koe e whiauhi I he wikendi koe takai whoki aho no, ai au amanaki ke whianganga I e ngo Tangatani. Ka ke he ku whainga whakataha mai a moonga pe mono kaunga mea whawhare me olo pereki, toa koe ni pia mihi louto ka ia no, Shannon Frizzell, ka i maa matapure koe ia ko vai taumwe whalau me Nusila, pe he ki a asairi lausi I moafu o feina me Tongani, pe tuke hang whoki a seta tamani walu ofisi, kai maa whoki a Stefan de Deutsch o Afrika Tonga. Kaike, koe wakai koe ia ki he whakakoko koe ia tau te pire lau poini o ku kei tāki e kupota Spears, pe hoko kei Saitama Wild Nights, koe Kobe Steelers, Brave Libers, pe whoki ki he sea whika ni maa koe tōki o St. Goliath, a maa whoki he sea whika whitu koe Yura Yasuia, pe whoki ki he whika walu, Shizuoka Blue Rams, koe Black Rams Tokyo, kai maa whoki hongofulu o kia Mitsubishi, Toyota Verplitz, pe whoki ki he Honda Heat, pe I he sea whamui mui o kia Yokohama Cannon Eagles, ai koe te pire konferenisi, o koe whenga maari e Saitama Wild Nights, ke nau hu atu o area ai hau koe ai whiauhini. Kai ke koe takai hono no whokieni he wikeni, a manaki ke whiangahanga ai timi koe ai Toshiba Brave Libers, pe moe kupota Spears, koe Honda Heat, pe moe timi koe ai The Rocks, koe Saitama Wild Nights, pe whoki ki he Tokyo St. Goliath, o ku amanaki whepaki ai timi koe Mitsubishi, pe moe Black Rams, pe koe hoko mai rewa ai Cannon Eagles, kai pe whoki e Kobe Steelers, amanaki ke pakihi ai Blue Rams, pe moe Toyota Verplitz, pe koe Kobe Steelers rewa, pe moe timi koe a Shizuoka, koe ngahi vainga ia, takai honono koe e whiauhi a Siapani. Koe sipoti pe ia.
Ko e wakaile eni ki he tuunga o e ea i hona tuku mai me waa wakai matangi a tonga i whamotu mo e poto ngā o e meirek whakahoko atu e inoke lelinga.
Malo e lau maare hou eiki pa mo e lelei e tonga kotoa tali tai repe ki mo tolu ki he tau whakamatala ea. Ngahi tala noa lalahe no e tau whakamatala ea. Patau ngā eange e ki hoko hoko pe e maa whanang ko ia ea. Au fia ki whatoke lau pe heho ki ha uha tu moto. Ka lahi alo maari e pe ki he whakatonga. Tuke hang pe hanga i uha tu moto. Ia ngai wheitu pe e ni. Ka koe wakai lewa eni ki he imisi satelaite koe au ni. Ha mahino te pa me imisi satelaite e lahi alo maari e ko ia ai otu tonga i he aho ni. O tongo ia koe alo tamaku uha ia utoka. Ki he potahi whakatonga hifo ko ia o terikitonga pe mo terikitoke lau. Pe a koe alo tamaku e niu ni o me ha uha lahi. Pe pe foki ki haviri wau ki haviri hako hako. Tau te whito pen ke potahi ko ia o terikitonga pe mo terikitoke lau. Ko tunga koe fua mawhana. I he aho ni koe maalunga tahi o tau ngahi vai whonua. Nā au ke tikiri sore sase tolu ua ki he ngoniwa. Pe he foki ki wawau. Kai tikiri sase tolu ki he apai. Pea pe foki Tongatapu. Pea tolu taha ki he vai whonua ko ia o e ua. Tupu pea me he hoko mai ko ia e tau whiau mai pa mo e maa whanang ko ia o ea. Pea pe foki he velang ko ia. Umahau inga ke tau wakai. Ke tuunga koe fua maa whanau ho tau ngahi potu tahi. He oku whelave i tonu o pito ni pa mo e tuunga maa whanau ko ia o ea. Tau wakai ki he imisi koe ni, aia koe imisi koe ni une whakaha ia tu e ia, a tu unga maa whana koe na ea ho tau ngahi potahi i he ngahi aho koe ia na tau toki situ ami ai. Aia na ea o maalunga ke tikiri sol sase wha pe me he anga mahini. Maalunga ke tikiri sol sase e wha pe me he fua maa whana anga mahini, tau te whito ben ki he potu tahi koe ia o Tongatapu pea mo e ua. Koe potahi koe ia o wawau pe mo hapai pa pe he foki ki he ongoniwa. Nea o fua maa whana o maalunga ki ai tikiri sas e ua ki he tolu. Pana e haa mahino pe ai velangi ko ia e ea i he ngahi aho ko ia tau tau situ a pe mi ai. Ko i misko niu ne whakahai atu e tu ngā vela koe na iai ho tau ngahi potu tahi. Na e maalunga aki i he fua maa whana hoko i he aho e tolu ki he nima ko ia na tau tau situ a mi ai. Hangi koe kuhatu he potahi ko ia o Tongatapu pe mo e ua pe fuki ki wawau. Pea mo haapai, pena au ke tuunga koe vela pe mawhana au pito. Ko angara wane e tau wakai atu ki he tau whai whanongat koe ki he ngahe wike koe ka hoko mai atunga koe ia e fua mawhana. I ho tau ngahi e ria pa bifoko tau ngahi potahi. Ha mahino pe ki nofo koe ia e ea mawhana o tau ngahi potahi i he ngahe wike koe ia ka hoko mai. Tunga re waino e tau ngahi whatokanga, o kei tuko pe whatokanga hako hako. Pe foki ki he whare i koe ke ngai wakaiki, au te whito pen ke potahi koe ia o Terikitonga, pea mo Terikitoke lau. Ka koe wakaire wain ki aho koe nima ka hoko mai ki he Pasifiki, wa alo tamak uha ungaunat ki Tongatapu pea mo ua malau ki ne omi, ha uha tu moto e whaasinga koe wike. Pe foki ki alo tamak uha e fo uia ki he whakatoke lau, ki he ongoniwa. Kamata angai o wike ka au malawa ki ne omi ha uha, pea pe foki ki ha mana ki he onga wahi whanua koe ni, pea kau o te pike pe mo wau. Ki he kamatanga ia o e wike kahau. Ka koe tau whamatala ea me poni o au ki he pongpong ko ia a pongi. E lahi ke alo maari e pe vai whanua ko ia o Tongatapu pea mo e ua kaut kai pamha pai. Tuke hang peha au whia i hangahi taimi. Ka koe vai whanua ko ia o wawa pa pe he foki ki he ongoni ua malawa ke uha tau vai whanua ko he poni. Tunga na fua mawhana ke poni pe koe moko tahain. E au ke maulalo koe tikiri sase ua whaa ki Tongatapu mo e ua nima ki wawau. Pea ua ono ki hapai pepe foki ki he ngoni ua. Koe haviri o wau ke meretahe ua noa ki Tongatapu mo e ua. Taha nima ki wawau pepe foki hapai. Pea angi iki wau ke meretahe hongo fulu ki he ngoni ua. Tau whamatalaia koe ki a pongi. E lahi ke alomari e pe vai whanua koe o e ngoni ua. Ka ua alo tamak uha vai ne ngā unat ki Tongatapu pe mo e ua. Malafu ni omi ha uha tu umatohen. Tongatapu pe mo e ua kaut kai pe mo hapai. A pe foki ke vai whanua koe o wawau. Tunga na fua mawhana pe koe maalunga taha ki a pongpongi e au ke maalunga koe tikiri se tolu taha ke tolu ua. I me ke kotoa pe o e otu Tonga. Taimi koe ia o e tahi, tau maari e tahi he tomite nima koe ia ke taha e pon. Pe a mahatoka ia i osonga fulu koe pa mehe nima i he pongpongi a pongi. Ka koe la a pe moe mahina, hopo la a e osminite taha fitu koe pa mehe ono pongpongi a pongpongi. Pe a hopo e mahina i he tomite taha ua koe ia. Ki he taha i he pongpongi e pe moia a pongpongi. Whaosia ke whamatalaya aho nima koe ka hoko mai pa mei Nuku'alofa, e lahi ki alo maari e pe sāpate, whaosinga koe o wikendi, malau ke uhatu mato ke moni te alo maari e ki he tūsi te. Ka koe pule lulu, pa moe toa pule lulu, malau ke ngahi uhatu moto whakawhitu. Koe malunga tahana fua mawhana e nofo peke tolu taha ke tolua. Aho koe ni maka hoko mai. Ka koe taungatanga peke aho ni. Malo pito mo mea mai, ka mo mea.
Ko e whakamatala e a pia ki hawani ka tau toi wakaiangi pihe ki ngahi ulo i o ngongo. Whakahalaki me he poto ngawe mo ui e uni whakamatala pihe o kumalawa ai mahaki HIV o mawhola i e mea toko ni. Le ko te poto ngawe polisi e fuafua mo ui ke more tukua ki i koe tau na kita i he tauni pe au ki he poto ngawe a ko i he tauni ke uno maa mao pe e nau maa i ono ako i koe hakotupu e whonua. Mo e kakato e peia o ngahi o ngongo mo le tio kai o maa televisoni tonga ki he houani mo whakaamu e au taki kotoa ato peia kina to whane kotoa. Kai malo e tau kei whi au mai ka mo me au.
Good evening and welcome to your English news with Radio and Television Tonga for the hour. Leading our bulletin tonight, Health Ministry implores public not to spread misinformation about HIV online. Ministry of Education begins 2026 school year with a combined service this morning, and a death of a 22-year-old found at a cemetery in Hasini, believed to be suicide. We'll have these and more stories coming up later on in the bulletin, as well as the latest news from sports and the weather update. Now for the news in detail, I'm Vahefunoto Paula. The Health Ministry has strongly opposed the spread of misinformation about HIV cases online, urging the public not to get information online but to get their information from reliable sources, but not hearsay. More on that story with Senolita Tuivai.
Speaking to Radio Tonga News, the Chief Medical Officer of the Communicable Diseases Division at the Ministry of Health, Dr. Joseph Takai said there has been so much false information spreading on social media, including claims that one can get this disease from food prepared by a person with HIV, and even claims that HIV can be transmitted by mosquitoes. Dr. Takai expressed frustration with those spreading these lies, saying that while they may believe they are helping spread awareness about the disease, they are counterproductive to the ministry's efforts to raise awareness and cautious about HIV, because they create unnecessary concern that can lead to judgment in the community. Dr. Takai clarified that HIV cannot live outside the human body except in human blood, and therefore it cannot survive in food or in animals. He urges the public to learn more about HIV from more reliable sources such as the ministry and from medical professionals. This emphasizes the importance of practicing safe and protective health measures, but also to be proactive about believing information online and always double-checking to ensure you don't fall victim to ridiculous unfounded claims being spread online with no scientifically or medically proven advice.
Tonga police have reported the death of a 22-year-old man from Hasini last week, alleged to be death by suicide, which, if confirmed, will be the first suicide case for 2026. Deputy Police Commissioner Devita Vailea told Radio Tonga News that the Hasini police station had received a report last Friday, indicating that a man had been discovered at a cemetery and appeared to be in a critical condition. The man was rushed to Vaiala Hospital, but nothing could be done and he was declared dead. Vailea reports that the deceased was intoxicated and they are currently treating the case as an alleged suicide until the post-mortem report is completed and will determine the next course of the investigation. A strong call for teachers and education staff to be a constant shining light to the nation this year has set the tone for the Ministry of Education's 2026 working year. The call was made by the Minister of Education and Training, the Honourable Dr. Moale Otunuku, during a combined Thanksgiving service and an opening church service held this morning at the Tonga High School Indoor Stadium in Nuku'alofa. The education officers and teachers from across the country gathered for the first official launch of the new academic and working year, marked by the unveiling of the ministry's 2026 theme, To Shine Brightly at All Times. Dr. Moale Odunuku said that the theme reflects the responsibility of the education sector to lead by example, comparing the ministry to a lamp that must continue to shine clearly, even in challenging conditions. He says the theme serves as a reminder to staff that the cleaner the oil produces brighter the flames, which is similar to how a teacher shed lights to its students with outcomes of brighter students. The theme was further reinforced by retired Tonga College teacher and director of the Free Wesleyan Church Evangelism Division, Reverend Dr. Taliainu Meitolu, who encouraged teachers to let their values, actions and commitment shine through their daily work with students. The Chief Executive Officer of Education, Iskeli Ngalwoko, also challenged staff to embrace the new year with renewed purpose by reminding them of their role in shaping the future of Tonga's generation. Today's program also presented certificates of appreciation to 17 staff members who are retiring after decades of public service. Among those honoured were former Tonga College Principal and Director of Truancy Division, Devita Kalaftoni Latu. Principal Education Officer Losena Sukamanu and Senior Curriculum Education Officer Toli Afisi Hoififita, along with retired principals and deputy principals who concluded their service in December 2025. Meanwhile, a minute of silence was also observed in memory of education staffs who passed away during the 2025 working year. Also, today's program saw awards presented to 3 primary schools that achieved the highest success rates in the Form 2 entrance examinations, with Tonga Side School placing first, Haveluloto Government Middle School at second, and Nuku'alofa Government Middle School following at third. The government schools are expected to begin the academic year 2026 next Monday. Due to the large backlog faced by the public in matters and services related to land at the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources, the new government is finalising a legislation to be tabled in Parliament to improve and ease land surveying services. Senator Tuivai will tell you more on that story.
The Prime Minister, Lord Fafanua, said in Parliament yesterday that the concern with the Ministry of Land Services rose from the significant delays the public has experienced in land-related matters, with some cases taking over 10 years to be resolved. Lord Fafanua explained these delays are mainly due to the current state of the law continues to restrict the work of surveyors in line with the limited capacity of the ministry. He said there is a proposal to bring in independent surveyors from overseas to assist local surveyors, as the ministry currently has the capacity to process only about 200 allotments per year, while the demand each year is far greater. Meanwhile, the Prime Minister further clarified that this initiative is part of the new government work plan, which has been included in the latest version of the third Tonga Strategic Development Framework. It is anticipated that this work will be completed within the government's first 100 days, as outlined in their 100 Days Action Plan, which began yesterday and runs through until 11th of June. However, it is clear that the main objective of this legislation is to facilitate and improve the operations of the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources, so that the people will no longer have to wait long periods for their land-related applications submitted to the ministry.
And thousands of Tongans are eagerly awaiting the arrival of the famous English band UB40 ahead of their concert on Wednesday at Teufaiva Stadium. Even though the group arrives next week, preparations for the concert are already underway as organisers await the band's second visit to Tonga. Paddy Plague Ilola here with more on that story.
In an interview with Ofalikiliki from the planning committee, she said the band's second visit to Tonga is historic and joyful news for fans and music lovers across the country. Organizers hope the concert will bring the Tongan people together in celebration of music and be an opportunity as well to promote peace and harmony through their shared love of music and the performers. Many well-known Tongan artists are also lined up to open for the band, including The Joint, DJ Noise, Suliasi Poleo, with other Pacific artists also set to perform at the concert.
Used to be so lonely. You're a beautiful woman, oh girl.
In the first ever UB40 concert held in Tonga 20 years ago, thousands of Tongans attended the event at Teofaiva Stadium, and expectations are even higher for a larger crowd this year. Many tickets have already been sold to the public, including general admission tickets, VIP tickets, and VVIP tickets, which are already sold out. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Betty Blake, Ilola here.
And that's it from the local scene. Sports news is up next after this break with Pia Ollier. Stay tuned.
Malcolm Marx and Richie McCaw has renewed their long-running rivalry this weekend in Japan Rugby League. The pair first faced off in Super Rugby with the Lions and Crusaders, and while Marx has enjoyed greater success at test level, Mo'unga has dominated domestically in Japan. Last season, Mo'unga led Toshiba Prep Libis Tokyo to a second straight title, beating Marx Kubota Spears 18-13 in the championship final despite playing with a broken hand. Saturday's clash carries more than just bragging rights, with a top 2 finish and a playoff pie on the line. Meanwhile, Kubota remained unbeaten, but a loss for Prep Libis could also open the door for the equally undefeated Saitama Wild Knights. The Knights, now coached by Atsushi Kanazawa, have barely missed a beat since the departure of Robbie Deans, winning 63 of 74 regular season matches since League One began. They now face old rivals of Tokyo St. Clive, and who trails them by 9 points on the ladder. Elsewhere, Honda Heat, the D-Rocks, Black Rams Tokyo, and Yokohama Cannon Eagles are all searching for their first wins of the season. And that's sports news.
There was sports with Pia Ollier. Up next is your latest weather information with Inokilelenga, a meteorologist from the Tonga Met Office.
Hello once again and good evening. Welcome to Evening Forecast from Tonga Met. Our main stories for tonight: continuation of warmer air temperature for all of Tonga. Also cloudy and showers of rain are expected for the northern part of Cook, or mainly fine for the southern islands except some isolated showers. From our satellite imagery for today, we can clearly see a mainly fine weather for all of Tonga for today, except some low cloud drifting in from the south into Tongatapu area and also Pavawe and also Hapai. Meanwhile, there is a low pressure, an active low pressure system lies to the southwest of Teriki Tonga and Teriki Tokelau, and this low pressure brings strong wind, especially to the waters of Teriki Tonga and Teriki Tokelau. Maximum temperature were recorded today in our islands for the Niuas, 32 degrees Celsius for the Niuas, and also Wawa'u, 33 degrees Celsius for Ha'apai and also Tongatapu, and 31 for Eua for today. So what we have here is the sea surface temperature anomalies, or the above sea surface temperature for the past few days. And we can clearly see here over the areas of Tongatapu and Eua, the above average sea surface temperature was up to 4 degrees Celsius. And for Wawa'u and also Ha'apai and the Niuas, the above average sea surface temperature was up to 1 to 3 degrees Celsius. And from here we can clearly see why we experience the hot and humid air temperature in the past few days. So what we have here is the marine heat wave. Please take note that we experience strong to severe heat waves over all of Tonga in the past few days. For the Niuas, they experienced strong heat waves in the past few days, and for Tongatapu and Eua, also Ha'apai, and Vava'o were experiencing severe marine heat wave in the past few days. So here is the outlook for our sea surface temperature anomalies, or the above average temperature anomalies for the coming weeks. We can clearly see that the above average sea surface temperature is still in our areas, and we are expecting some warmer air temperature for the coming weeks. So our current warning, we still have strong wind warning and small craft advisory remains in force for Tonga and Tokelau coastal waters. And here is the outlook for the next 5 days across the region. There is a weak trough approaching Tongatapu and Ewa toward the end of this week, bringing some showers of rain, and also Ha'apai becoming fine toward the end of this week and also starting off next week. But there will be a low pressure that will form to the northern part of the group, bringing some occasional rain, possibly heavy at times, and also thunderstorm for the newest for next week, and also newest for the start of next week. But here's our forecast from tonight up until tomorrow morning. We're expecting fine weather for Tongatapu and Ewa and also Ha'apai, except on cloudy periods. But for Vava'u and also the newest, occasional showers, possible heavy falls and thunderstorm are expected for tonight up until tomorrow morning. Minimum temperature for tonight will be up to 24 degrees Celsius for Tongatapu and Ewa, 25 for Vava'u, 26 for Ha'apai and also the newest. Wind will up to 20 knots for Tongatapu and Ewa, 15 for Vava'u and Ha'apai, and 10 knots to the newest. Our forecast for tomorrow, there is a weak trough approaching Tongatapu and Ewa. We might expect some showers of rain for Tongatapu and Ewa, also Ha'apai, and some occasional rain for Vava'u with cloudy periods, possibly heavy at times for Vava'u, and including the newest for tomorrow. Maximum temperature for tomorrow will be around 31 degrees Celsius to 32 for all of Tonga. And our tide prediction for tonight, high tide will be at 5 minutes to 11 p.m. tonight, and low tide will be at 10 minutes past 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. Sun and moon, sunrise will be at 17 minutes past 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, and moonrise will be at 12 minutes to 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. Wrapping up with the 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa, mainly fine for Sunday, expecting some isolated showers from mainly fine for Sunday. Some isolated showers for Monday, becoming fine by Tuesday, and also some showers of rain for Wednesday and Thursday next week. Maximum temperature for the next 5 days will be 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. And that will be all for tonight. Good night.
That was Inokilelenga with the latest weather update. And that wraps up your English news for the hour. But before we part, here's one final look at tonight's top stories. The Health Ministry implores public not to spread misinformation about HIV online. Education Ministry begins 2026 school year with a combined service this morning, and a death of a 22-year-old found at the cemetery in Ha'asini, believed to be suicide. That's it for tonight. Thank you for joining us. I'm Paula. Good evening.